What's going on? It's Charrell, the Forex King, and we're back with another video. So I passed my 50K Futures challenge. Again, I passed my 50K Futures challenge. As you know me from doing Forex. That's where home is, Forex. But it don't hurt to add another skill to your portfolio. So I added futures to my portfolio, and now I passed a futures account. So I added that to my portfolio, and I'm funded with 50K challenge. As you can see the certificate. You can see the certificate. But before we start, I gotta give you the word for today. Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 18. Remember, the Lord, your God, He is the one who gives you power to be successful in order to fulfill the covenant He confirmed to your ancestors with an oath. That's very powerful. Very powerful. Very powerful. So I'm gonna show you some of the trades. Some of the trades that I took. So I took the NAS 100 trade. NAS 100 trade. See, as this is going up, and this is an uptrend. I use the NPM trend. The NPM trade command dashboard. This is what I created. If you want to get this, you can go to the link under the description below. This is an uptrend. One of the trades I took is NAS 100. See, this is an uptrend. I sent this out to the Telegram. This is an uptrend. That's one of the trades I took. Well, let's go to MNQ. It's MNQ as futures. Well, see, uptrend. This is an uptrend. As you can see, uptrend. And you see, look at that. It's been going up. That's an uptrend. Very powerful. So when you're trading and you see this uptrend, that's an uptrend. So that's one of the trade. That was one of the trades I took. This uptrend. You can buy this. Look, if you would have started right here, would have bought it all the way up. But I have the NPM trade command dashboard. Also, like and subscribe to my channel. Again, like and subscribe. Look at this. It lit up. Look at that. It lit up. It gives you the entry, stop loss, TP, TP1, TP2, TP3. It don't get no better than that. So I took this trade, took these trades, and you can pretty much profit off of this. This is an uptrend. That's very powerful. Look at that. It lights up. Now let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. So you see the dashboard. This is the dashboard. If you want to get a futures account, you can. If you want to get the futures account, you can go to the link under my description below. You see it says passed futures challenge 50K by $53,018.36. Profits $3,018.36. Man, that's powerful. Powerful. And you see I passed it. See I passed it. As you can see. Look at that. Look at that. Consistency, look at that. 1,000 $30.40, $970.40, $952.20, $65.36. So you have to have a consistency when it comes to this. So you can't make over a certain percentage. And they give you 3 days, 3 minimum days to you have to trade 3 days to pass this. That's awesome. It only took me 4 days, as you can see. You see, my one best winner day was $1,030.40. You see the daily drawdown, as you can see the max drawdown. You see the profit target was 3,000, and I passed that. So you can do this too if you put God first, trust the process, and be patient. Use proper risk management. You definitely got to have discipline. If you want to learn how to trade, you can go to the link under my description. This is very powerful. So from Forex to futures, I passed my very first 50K account for futures. FunderPro is an awesome prop firm. So if you want to get this prop firm, you can go to the link under my description. This has been an amazing week. This is Charrell, the Forex King. Let's go.
Say I'm starting, you don't really want it, hit them hard and they see it come. I ain't fighting.